So we were doing the question and we will be discussing this question number 4. Isha was suffering from chicken pox. Her teacher advised her not to come to school till she has recovered completely. Question: how many of you wishes to answer the question? If you
Hello,
wish to,
sir.
don't make noise. Please don't make noise, or I will mute you. If you wish to answer, you raise your hand. I will unmute you. And okay, Trisha Ranjan 5B, she wishes to answer the question. Okay, Trisha Ranjan, I have unmuted you. Now you may answer it. Is Trisha Ranjan?
It is because chickenpox is a communicable disease. It easily spreads, so her teacher advised to not come to school.
Okay, this is very good answer. And Trisha Ranjan, thank you. Mute yourself now. Okay. Okay, now you mute yourself. And next, Piyush Raj 5A wishes to answer the question. Now, Piyush Raj, come on the screen and you answer it.
Yes, sir. Chickenpox is a communicable disease. It spreads through air. So, Aisha teacher advised her not to come to school till she was here recover completely.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Any more answer, Piyush Raj?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, mute yourself now. Okay, next. Sachi Kumari 5A wishes to answer. Sachi Kumari, tell me your answer.
Chickenpox is a communicable disease. It
Loudly.
spreads through air. Chickenpox is a communicable disease. It spreads through air very easily. So teacher advised the girl to not come to school.
Okay. Now, Abhinav Kumar, you wish to speak?
Yes, sir.
You tell.
Because chickenpox is a communicable disease, germ of chickenpox spread throughout our air which get transmitted from one person to other.
Okay, thank you. Next, anybody else? I think Abhinav, you mute yourself. Okay, and down your hands. Srishti Raj 5A, you wish to answer? Come on the screen, answer it. Srishti Raj,
Because chickenpox is communicable disease and get transmitted from one place to another, so teacher had not come to school.
you ask her not to come to school. Any more answer? Okay, thank you, Srishti. Mute yourself. Nishant Anupam 5C, you wish to answer? Nishant Anupam, you can Nishant Anupam, you can come on the screen and you can come on the screen, Nishant Anupam. Okay, no, you don't want to answer. Okay. Sonali Kumari 5A, come on the screen. Sonali Kumari 5A,
Yes, sir.
come on the screen. Switch on your camera. Come on the screen. Answer it.
Chickenpox is communicable disease and it spread through air. So her teacher advised her not to come to school till he recovered completely.
Okay, thank you. Now I hope you all have understood the answer and you can write by yourself. Everybody, I have unmuted you. Can you write yourself? Can you write yourself or I need to write it here?
Yes, sir.
I need to write it here.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir,
Okay, I'm
sir,
writing.
sir, सर मैं लास्ट से पहले एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर सर मैं नहीं देख पाई.
I have shared the screen in your WhatsApp group. I have shared the recording in the WhatsApp group. You can see it from there also. Okay. I have shared the Shruti Rani. Do you have any problem? Tell me. I have unmuted you.
सर हमको भी इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है.
अच्छा दे दो, चलो भाई बोल दो.
Because chicken pox is the communicable disease and can be spread by physical contact.
Okay.
Deficiency diseases are called non-communicable disease because they cannot
That when I will ask
by
then. Well, stop when I will ask then. Okay. Okay. If you wish to answer, you can answer it also in the chat mode. Okay. And now I'm going to write the answer on the board. Okay. You see here. You can see the board. Is it visible to all of you? Is it visible to all of you? Okay. Isa was suffering from chicken pox. Chicken pox, which is communicable disease. It is communicable disease which get spread through air, water, and physical contact. If Isha comes to school, she might, other student might get infected, by her and fall and get sick. So her teacher advised not to come to school. And this is answer of E4. This is E4. I hope it is clear. The question is E4. Okay. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
All of you, is that clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next. Okay. I think one girl, Sachi Kumari, 5A, wishes to say something. Come on the screen. Sachi Kumari.
सर सब चैप्टर का ऑब्जेक्टिव कॉपी में लिखना जरूरी है.
कल हम क्या बताए हैं? What I have told you yesterday? What I told you yesterday? Commonly I have told. Okay. Commonly I have told yesterday na, that you need to write each and every question in your notebook. Okay. Don't ask this question again, all of you. Okay. Now we have, okay, Sachi, lower your hand. Next. And Siddhant 5A. Okay, Siddhant Kumar 5A, come on the screen. Siddhant Kumar 5A, come on the screen. Siddhant Kumar 5A, where is? Okay. Siddhant Kumar, I have unmuted you. Come on the screen. Siddhant Kumar, come on the screen. Why you have shared the screen? Why you have shared the screen without permission? Siddhant Kumar 5A. I have unmuted you. You unmute yourself. I have unmuted you. Vedant Kumar, I will remove you if you will not answer it. Siddhant, I have unmuted you. Unmute yourself. Siddhant, I have unmuted you. Come on the screen. Tell me. If I find something sharing from the next time, I will move you out. Last warning to you. Next. Wait, I will give you the recording. If you have missed, I will give you the recording. Okay. Don't worry. I will give you the recording in your WhatsApp group. And even if you don't get in the WhatsApp group, you can get it from my WhatsApp. You send me WhatsApp. Sir, please give me recording. I will give you the recording. Okay. Now next. Next question. Let's share the screen. I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Next question, and that is the last question of this chapter. Why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? Why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? Who will answer? Who wishes to answer the question? Raise your hand. Why deficiency disease is called as non-communicable disease? Okay. If you wish to answer, you can come on the screen. I will raise your hand. I will unmute you. Okay. Rangila Kumar, come on the screen. Rangila Kumar, I have unmuted you. Tell me. Rangila Kumar.
सर क्वेश्चन कौन सा
Question is that who is making noise? From which side this noise is coming? I will mute you. Question is that, once again I am sharing the question. You see in your book. Why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? Why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? Okay. Abhinav.
Because deficiency disease, yes, sir, because deficiency disease may be present at birth, number of them occurs due to deficiency of some particular nutrient, and deficiency disease do not get from mother. So deficiency
Okay, mute yourself and lower your
are
hand.
called
Okay.
communicable disease.
Okay. Now, Abhinav Kumar, you mute yourself. Okay. And
Deficiency disease are called communicable disease because deficiency disease may be present in birth. A number of children are caused due to deficiency disease of some particular nutrient such as protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, and minerals.
okay, thank you. Okay, unmute yourself. Kassis 5C, come on the screen. Kassis 5C, come on the screen.
Because deficiency disease are caused by due to a lack of or deficiency of any nutrient in diet, so deficiency disease are called non-communicable disease.
And non-communicable means it do not communicate from one person to another person. Okay. Okay, Srishti Raj 5A, unmute yourself, come on the screen.
Deficiency
Srishti
disease
Raj.
called non-communicable disease because they don't get transmitted one person to another.
Okay, very good answer. Very good. Next, after Srishti Raj, Srishti, lower your hand and mute yourself. Sonali Kumari. Sonali Kumari, come on
Yes,
the
sir.
screen. Come on the
Because
screen.
deficiency disease may be present at birth, a number of them
Why don't you switch on your
caused
camera? You
due-
switch on your camera. You switch on your camera.
are caused due to deficiency of some particular nutrients, and deficiency disease do not get
Good.
transmitted from one person to another. So deficiency disease are called non-communicable disease.
Many student. Okay, thank you. Mute yourself. Down your hands. Okay, many student wishes to answer. Some of them are Smriti Komal, Sachi Kumari, Shruti Rani, Piyush Raj, Ritika Kumari, Trisha Ranjan, Shyamli Kumari, Nishant Anupam. It is not possible to get the answer from all of you, but thank you all. You wishes to answer, you can answer me it in the chat mode. Okay, I will read it from here, and meanwhile I need to write it on the board also. Okay, meanwhile I need to write it on the board also. Okay, so I'm going to write it on the board. It is E5. Okay, it is E5. It is E5. Deficiency disease it do not spread from one person to another person. So deficiency is called non-communicable disease. Okay, I hope all of you have got the answer. Smriti Kumbal, what problem you have? Unmute yourself. Tell me what problem you have. Smriti Kumbal, tell me. Okay, lack spelling is wrong. Tell me, Smriti Kumbal, what problem you have? Yusraj 5A, what problem you have? I have unmuted you. You tell me. Tell me. Do you have any problem? Nishant Anupam. Nishant Anupam, do you have any problem?
नो सर सर हम लिख के भेज दिए हैं.
Yes, I have seen you. I have seen it. And do you have any problem?
नो सर नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, mute yourself. Ritika Kumari, class 5A, come on the screen. Do you have any problem, Ritika? Ritika, do you have any problem? Okay. Now today, so should I proceed? Do you have any problem in this chapter?
No, sir. No, sir.
नो सर.
No, sir. No, sir. No,
If you have any problem in this chapter, you can raise your hand. And today I will ask you one by one. 10 minutes left.
No, sir.
I will give you the recording of this. Okay.
I have not problem.
I will give you, if you have not written, I will give you the recording of this in your WhatsApp group. Okay. You all are the student of class 5A, B, C. Okay. Am I right? You all are the student of class 5A, B, C. I will give you the recording. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do you have any problem? You can raise your hand. I will ask you
No,
and I will
sir.
solve your
No,
problem
sir.
personally.
No, sir.
शेयर कीजिए ना सर स्क्रीन.
Yes, sir, sir.
I will give this thing in your WhatsApp group. Don't be panic. Okay. Sachi Kumari 5A, what problem you have got? So tell me. Come on the screen. Shamli, what problem you have got? Come on the screen and tell. Sachi Kumari 5A. Do you have any problem? Okay. If you don't have any problem, so I should move to the next chapter. Should I move to the next chapter? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Move to the
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is the monitor of this class? ABC.
Sir. Sir.
बोलो.
Sir.
बोलो.
Sir.
Now here you have again one of the question left. Listen me carefully. Did slum children look weak and pale? Here you have also again the case study one. Okay. Look, see the picture here. Okay, see the picture. See the picture. All of you see the picture. Okay, you see the picture. Are you seeing this picture? Now question is, first question, why did the slum children look weak and pale? Who will answer the question? Bhavya Kishore 5A. Yes. Come on the screen and you answer this question.
Sir. Sir.
Tell me.
सर स्क्रीन से कीजिए ना सर, कुछ पूछना है हमको, स्क्रीन से कीजिए.
बुक का या फिर बोर्ड का? बोर्ड का या बुक का? बुक का.
सर, बुक
बोलो.
का. ये चैप्टर वाला सर अभी आया है, तो आप चैप्टर वाला सर अभी भेजे हैं
वाला.
ये कॉलेज क्या है सर? कॉलेज क्या होता है?
अभी हम वो आज नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, वो कल पढ़ाएंगे. When I will teach you tomorrow, you will ask me. Right now I am teaching this. Okay. You see here, I am discussing this question. Okay. These question I am discussing.
सर आप 6 चैप्टर पढ़ा रहे हैं.
नहीं, यहाँ पर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
हमको लगा सर आप वो 6 वाला पढ़ा रहे हैं.
कोई बात नहीं. पहला क्वेश्चन हमको बताओ. पहला क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताओ. You tell me the answer of the first question. Why the children are looking pale? Slum children. Okay. Why the slum children are looking pale? Who will answer? Ritika, tell me the answer. Why slum children are looking pale?
Children is poor.
Children are poor.
Yes, sir.
So they are looking pale. Okay, Nishant Anupam, come on the screen. Answer it.
Sir. Because they could not diet and not get a proper food and a healthy food.
This is correct answer. This is correct answer. I hope all of you have heard it. IUC 5C, unmute yourself. Tell me, come on the screen. Tell. IUC, if not, lower your hand. Sachi Kumari, come on the screen.
Some children look slum and pale. Sir, एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर से दिखाइए.
क्वेश्चन है कि why slum children are looking pale?
Some children look
It is not some. It is slum. It is slum. Slum means jhopra-patti. Jhopra-patti.
slum children look pale because they do not eat balanced diet and they do not get proper nutrient, protein and healthy food, so they look pale.
It is correct answer. Okay. So why slum children are looking pale? Because slum children are poor. Okay. Poor, and they are not getting the balanced diet, hence they look pale. Okay. How did Rajat and his teacher help the slum children? Discuss. Rajat और उसके टीचर तो सिद्धांत 5A. Siddhant, come on the screen. I have unmuted you. Siddhant, come on the screen, or I will remove you from here. Come on the screen.
सर बुक में से देख के बोल सकते हैं इसका आंसर?
You can see. Yes, you can say. Siddhant, come on the screen.
सर हम बोले आंसर इसका बुक में से देख के बोल सकते हैं.
अभी 1 मिनट रुक जाओ, पहले सिद्धांत को हमको थोड़ा पूछने दो कि अभी वो स्क्रीन क्यों शेयर कर रहा था. सिद्धांत कम ऑन द स्क्रीन है ना, तो हम उसको सिखा देते हैं, रिमूव कर देते हैं. सिद्धांत कम ऑन द स्क्रीन. हु इज द मॉनिटर? सिद्धांत रीड्स इन व्हिच क्लास? 5A. हु इज द मॉनिटर ऑफ क्लास 5A? मॉनिटर ऑफ क्लास 5A, कम ऑन द स्क्रीन. Raise your hand. Monitor of class 5A. Who is monitor of class 5A?
Sir, may I answer?
Wait 1 minute. Who is monitor of class 5A?
Sir, हम और स्मृति हैं.
Oh, you are the monitor of the class 5A, not the name of Siddhant.
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
And you will tell
sir.
me. Okay, and I will call his parent. Okay. You send in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
That Siddhant, you send me message that you have to talk to the Siddhant's father. Okay, you tell the answer.
Sir, देख के बोल सकते हैं बुक में से.
Okay, you can.
His teacher, along with the help of school doctor, organized a medical camp for the slum children. Rajat and his friends presented a Nukkad street play to highlight how some not very costly food items can help those children to improve their health.
चलो ठीक है, हम इसको इस चीज को लिख देते हैं. ठीक है, let me write this question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First question it was. The first it was. Why slum children were looking pale? Okay. The question is.
Sir, slum means क्या होता है?
झोपड़ी.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, slum means.
सर ये वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हम लोगों को कॉपी में लिखना है.
हाँ.
ओके.
और खुद से भी करना है इसको, तो खुद से करना है. Slum children's yes, value based question कैसे 5C कॉपी में लिखना है. They were poor and they were not getting balanced diet. Okay.
के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
क्या?
सर वो जो दे है पुअर एंड दे, तो दे के बाद क्या लिखे हैं सर?
poor and they were. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, आगे सर इसके आगे
is
नहीं
va-
है.
नहीं, over. This is value based question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is value based question. And this is value based question. Okay.
सर एक और क्वेश्चन है नीचे.
हाँ, एक और क्वेश्चन है. I can see there is another question also. And
Sir,
that
guess the
question is,
name of food items that are not costly but good for our health.
one more question is there. How teacher and student.
सर वो हम
Teacher.
बोल दिए.
Okay, teacher and students conducted camp with
Sir, his
help
teacher along
of
the help of
doctor.
सर नुक्कड़ नटीका क्या होता है?
And provided.
सर.
हाँ.
सर नुक्कड़ नटीका मतलब क्या होता है?
बता रहे हैं. Teacher and student conducted camp with the help of local doctor and provided and suggested the balanced diet. Suggested.
सर आगे भी है. सर.
ठीक है. Teacher and student conducted camp with the help of doctor and suggested the balanced diet. They, चलो तुम्हारी भी बात लिख देते हैं. They also conducted नुक्कड़ नाटक. नुक्कड़ नाटक. नुक्कड़ नाटक to teach.
सर नटीका है लगता है.
No problem. What I am writing, you write. Importance of balanced diet. Okay. So this is
Yes,
this
sir.
was the question. I hope all of you have understood. And the
Yes,
very
sir.
last one last question is also there. Suggest name of some food item that are not costly but good in health. ये बताओ कि सिर्फ काजू किशमिश जो है वो बढ़िया होता है, वो काजू किशमिश ही सिर्फ होता है बैलेंस डाइट.
No, costly मतलब
महंगा खाना बैलेंस डाइट नहीं. सिर्फ महंगा खाना
महंगा.
बैलेंस डाइट नहीं होता है. ठीक है. महंगा खाना बैलेंस डाइट नहीं होता है. ये गलत बात है. ठीक है. और इसी चीज
सर आप बताए नहीं सर. नुक्कड़ नटीका
क्वाइट बहुत बोलती है. म्यूट करना पड़ेगा तुमको हमको. नुक्कड़ नाटिका आई हैव टोल्ड यू. छोटा छोटा नाटक जो सड़क पर खेला जाता है. ठीक है. बहुत बोलती है. So next, I hope all of you have understood it. Time is going to be up. If you have any problem, you let me know. So from tomorrow, I will teach. Tomorrow I will teach the next chapter. Okay. Come well prepared for that. Okay. If you have any problem, and why student leaves? What is your name? Sachi Kumari.
साची है.
Okay. Abhinav Kumar.